Cousins Danny's Lounge today to announce the formation of the Philadelphia Anti-Violence Coalition. The coalition is made up of 48 groups and individuals who are committed to reducing shootings in our great city. Why we chose to hold the press conference in front of this bar, it was reported 8 individuals have been killed since 2009 within 2 blocks of this bar. A young man was killed in front of this bar on February 17th this year. 7 black men and 1 black woman between the ages of 20 and 39 were part of those 8 victims that had been shot within a 2-block or killed within a 2-block radius. So that's why we're holding the press conference in front of Danny's, Cousins Danny's Lounge. Since the beginning of 2016, we have seen shootings and homicides going up in the city of Philadelphia. The March 27, 2016 police report shows that 450 aggravated assaults with guns have taken place, as well as the day 64 murders in the city of Philadelphia. We are averaging 1,100 shootings in the city of Philadelphia every year for the last 20 plus years. So you could do those numbers.